following message is being broadcast at the request of local authorities. Today, at 7:24 a.m. Mountain Time, a disaster of unknown type has occurred at the Goycorp Research Facility, causing significant damage to all niggling systems, resulting in a critical failure of multiple air filtration and vent reactor facilities. An immediate evacuation order has been issued for all residents within a 75-mile radius. If you're outside the evacuation area, stay where you are and await further instructions. If you're within the evacuation area, power off your George Droid unit and follow local evacuation route. Make sure to bring an emergency supply of food, water, clothing, first aid kit, flashlights with extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio. Only use one vehicle. Do not use any personal Nigalink-operated devices, except in the case of emergencies. Stay tuned to local news media outlets for further details and information on this situation.